Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott front coil-over magnetic strut for various GM SUVs, K2XL, K2YG, and K2YC, long wheelbase with MagneRide. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Lift the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Then unroute and disconnect the electrical connection. Remove the 3 top mount nuts and the 2 bottom mount bolts. Complete the removal by removing the shock assembly from the vehicle. During installation of the new coil-over strut, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Start by installing the assembled shock onto the vehicle. Then install the 2 new included bottom mount bolts. Now install the 3 new included top mount nuts and reroute and connect the electrical connection. To complete the installation, reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle. Avoid warning lights. Qualified mechanics must perform a trim height relearn procedure. Thank you for following our guide on installing Arnott's coil-over magnetic strut for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.